Isa sa mga adjustments na dinala ni Coach Aldin Ayon. Ito si Coach Jamaica rin.
Dumira sa labas si Calvo and he gets on the board. Wala Diogun. That time they were crowding all over him. And Soriano nakalusot sa ilalim.
Ayan, tingnan mo ito. Kung problema nila si Ole Diogun dahil malaki siya sa ilalim. Yan, alam nila talaga yung San Beda Letran rivalry sa second group ni Coach Aldin Ayon.
Naagaw ang bola. Luwib, huling pagkakataon!
I think it's going to count.
What a start. Pero kasama ni Coach Olsen, Rosella, kasama rin natin ng court start si
Mga guards ng Letran coming from the corners. Kaya kailangan mag-ingat ko nitong San Beda.
Tinabas ang bola. Cabanag drop pass to Amer.
Yes, very good passing by the two guards. Kala mo libre na si Cabanag doon, pero pinasa pa niya kay Basera Mer for the 2 points.
Speaking of Letran, eto na naman sila, the new look Knights. High-octane offense. But Joy Luwib, great spin and drop pass kay Ray Nambatak. Yan ang unang field goal ni Nambatak dito sa larong ito.
Coach Jamaica rin, yung mabilis na palitan ng tao. So far, malaking minuto lang na nilalaro sa kanya ngayon, itong kanyang mga veterano. Ola Diogun out of the shaded area.
Turnover na naman. Generated by the Letran press. The first 2 games ngayong season. Cruz, napulot ang bola. Linabas kay Nambata. Nambata with his first triple of the game.
Wala na, matatalo ka na. But because of the rivalry, nagiging pantay sila.
Mark Cruz
Will one take care of the basketball?
suspended for 1 game because of a technical foul. Kaya hirap rin magbaba ng bola. Diogun inside.
Para dun, yun ang advantage nyo sana. But the problem is, kung mabibreak nga nila itong press ng Letran every time.
Cruz is down. Cruz, tinabas ang bola. Nambata for 3.
Wow!
Here come the Knights. Cruz for 3.
Wow!
More of a half-court game. Sharing the basketball. Cruz, tumira na naman! Mark Cruz is on fire! Cabana, pinasa sa loob, Mocon, binaba kay Takpua. And Donald is able to score.
Ayo, talking about Soliano.
On the attack. Toko, linabas ang bola. Cabana, pinagsak kay Mocon.
You know, with this kind of lineup of Coach Jamaica.
Of course, happy birthday also to our courtside reporter Laura Niemann and Ray Del Castillo of ABS-CBN Sports. Suspended for 1 game. He's serving it today. Kaya naman hirap na hirap ang San Beda. Lalo na sa pagbaba ng bola at nasa ball sa mukha. Racal. Soliano. All day to shoot. Kapit mga kababayan. Calvo.
That's going to be big.
Nakuha ang bola. Koga. Fires for 3.
That's big. That's big.
Luwib, umatake. Bounce pass. Kevin Racal with a finish. Expected has happened today. Dito sa loob ng arena sa lungsod ng San Juan. And McJoy Luwib will just put the finishing touches dito sa pagkapanalo ng Letran.
Early in the season, doon yung sinabi natin na